In this video, you'll learn how to add a TradingView widget in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to embed a TradingView chart directly into your Notion pages, enhancing your market analysis capabilities. Start by navigating to CoinMarketCap. This website provides various financial data, including the necessary information to create your TradingView widget. Once on the page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available for different markets. Next, open Notion in your preferred web browser. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspaces. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding with the tutorial. After that, click on the option to add a new page. You will find this in the left sidebar of your Notion workspace. This action will create a blank page where you can embed your TradingView widget. Once the new page appears, click on the title area at the top. This will allow you to name your page. Consider using a relevant title that reflects the content or purpose of the TradingView widget you are about to embed. Type in the title of your page and press enter. This action saves the title and you will see it displayed prominently at the top of your newly created page. A clear title helps in organizing your workspace effectively. Next, click on a blank space within the page. This will ensure that your cursor is in the correct position for the next command. It is important to select an empty area to avoid confusion when embedding content. Type in /embed and a list of options will appear. This command tells Notion that you wish to embed external content. You should see embed as one of the suggestions in the drop-down menu. Select end from the list. This action will prompt a dialog box where you can input the link for the TradingView widget. This step is crucial for integrating the widget into your Notion page. Click on the embed link option in the dialog. This will allow you to paste the URL you copied earlier, ensure that you have the correct link ready for a seamless integration. Now, navigate to obsception.co. This platform provides various integrations for Notion, including the TradingView widget. Once on the site, you will be able to search for the TradingView app. Type in trade in the search bar on option.co. This will help you locate the TradingView option quickly. Make sure to check the results that appear to find the correct application. Click on TradingView from the search results. This will take you to the specific page for the TradingView integration, where you can find further options for embedding. Once on the TradingView page, click on Copy Link. This action will copy the necessary embed link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste it back into Notion without any typing errors. Return to your Notion page and type in the link you copied. This is where you will embed the TradingView widget directly into your Notion workspace. Make sure the link is pasted correctly to avoid any issues. After pasting the link, click on Embed Link. This action confirms your choice and initiates the embedding process. You should see the TradingView widget loading into your Notion page shortly after. Finally, click on a blank space within your Notion page. This will finalize the embedding and allow you to interact with the TradingView widget. Ensure that the widget is functioning correctly, as this is essential for your market analysis.